Once again, I welcome you all to this class of English language. Today, let us take page number 40, exercise 3A, we did in the previous class. So today, let us do exercise 3B and 3C. So 3B, we now filling the blanks with the suitable word, very often a preposition. So, exercise 3B on page 4040. Let us look at them in pair 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 and 2. He has not heard anything, dash her for months. The last I heard him was from a common friend. Answer. First, he has not heard anything about her. Heard about her for months. Second, the last I heard of him. Heard of him was from a common friend. So first one, heard about. Second one, heard of. 3 and 4, the teacher tried to impress dash us the need for discipline. I was impressed dash his speech. Answer. The teacher tried to impress upon us. Impress upon here means to make a mark or effect on. So the teacher tried to impress upon us the need for discipline. That means discipline has to be marked on or upon the students. For I was impressed with his speech. Impressed with means influenced by or greatly attracted by. Impressed with his speech. Number 5 and 6. Please call the doctor. He called for help. Answer. Please call in or for. In or for a doctor. Here it means to demand or to require. 6. He called out for help. Call out means to summon, especially to an emergency situation. For example, the fire brigade was called out. So he called out, that means he summoned for help. 7 and 8. The municipality has pulled the old town hall. The patient has pulled dash her illness. Answer. The municipality has pulled down. Pulled down means demolished or destroyed. The municipality pulled down the old town hall. Number 8. The patient has pulled through her illness. Pulled through means to recover from, to bear, to recover from, to become all right. So the patient pulled through her illness. 9 and 10. My sister will look my son during my absence. After his graduation, he is looking for a job. Answer. My sister will look after my son. Look after means to take care of. So my sister will take care of my son during my absence. 10. After his graduation, he is looking for a job. Look for meaning to search for or try to find. So he is looking for a job. That means he is searching for a job or he is trying to find a job. Next, C. Again filling the blanks with the appropriate form of the word given in bracket. The passage is very important one. Just note down the main idea. The passage is about taking food. And the passage very clearly says that food should be taken in order to get nutrients, or food is for providing nutrients to the body, and it is not according to the taste or preference of a person. Food is not taken according to the taste. Sometimes every food may not be tasty. So food is not taken according to the taste or the preference, but it is for providing nutrients or vitamins to the body so that the body remains healthy. So look at the paragraph. First, the first 5 blanks. Food is also a universal medicine. If we split the word disease, it will read as disease, where there is no ease, that is dis-ease. Every disease requires an appropriate cure. A fever cannot be cured by dash, a tablet meant to alleviate headache. And so, food is also, first one, called. Simple present, passive voice. Food is also called a universal medicine. Second one, if we split the word, S-P-L-I-T, split, the word disease, it will read as dis-ease. That means there is no ease, that is disease. Every disease requires an appropriate cure. R-E-Q-U-I-R-E-S, requires. A fever cannot be cured. Cannot be cured, C-U-R-E-D, by taking, T-A-K-I-N-G, taking a tablet meant to alleviate headache. Underline the word alleviate. Maybe a new word. You can note down the meaning. To alleviate means to make the pain or suffering less or easy to bear. B-E-A-R. So to alleviate means to make pain or suffering less or easy to bear. Okay, next page. Food must be only from the perspective of providing the body with the required nutrients, not from the standpoint of personal taste and preference. As the mind is not our control, we tend into the trap of likes and dislikes with regard to the food we consume. The amount consumed must be monitored carefully. Answer: food must be consumed. Must be consumed only from the perspective of providing, P-R-O-V-I-D-I-N-G, the body with the required nutrients. It is a good point, not from the standpoint of personal taste or preference. As the mind is not under our control, we tend to fall, T-O-2, to fall into the trap of likes and dislikes with regard to the food we consume. The amount consumed must be monitored. Again, must be monitored carefully. Connected to lines are very good. Moderation is the key word. Anything in excess is poisonous. Mark these 2 lines. These are good to remember in our life. So moderation is needed. And anything in excess is not good. Everything should be in limit. Everything that is taken in through all the senses. Taken in all the senses, including food, should be in a limited quantity. That means every food must be taken in limited quantities. So this is a good passage. Please remember this in your life, and then once in a while go through this so that it is remembered in your life. Food is taken for providing vitamins to the body or to make the body healthy, and not according to the taste or preference of a person. In the next class, we shall go into Unit 3. Till then, keep safe and keep learning at home. Thank you.